noise. All who say brother hype, born good, say Guinness. On me, you know. Jack Scorpio, Sean Nizzle on me, you know. Shamil. How you doing, baby?
The crowd is hype, the sounds are ready, and our judges are expecting nothing but greatness from our sounds tonight.
Of Max Element. Make some noise for Max Element. To my left. Go over here, sir. Go over here, sir, man. Go over here, sir. Him win last week, you know. His name Richie 5. Wanna make some noise for Richie 5, the champion from last week.
Yeah, man, a Richie 5, man. Boy, so they're gonna take 14 pence and dive.
Alright, so listen to me. We had a coin toss. Richie 5 is gonna go first. Richie 5, freestyle buckle. I want you face the opponent right now, deliver lyrics in a freestyle buckle and make we see which one of you are gonna reach your greatness in a freestyle. Them don't know which one we are gonna drop in. They have no clue. My friends, Chromatic up there, so Chromatic. Drop already, man.
Yeah, man. Yo, microphone. When you say freestyle, you can't approach Richie 5 with freestyle. Me can't tell him this. It's in tomorrow Olympic, and the big man, Mr. Bolt, run a world championship. You can use a freestyle and kill him. When you say kill him, Olympic gunman a bust my thing, them go faster. Medal and trophy them offer. Where your gun name? Justin Gatlin, Tyson Gay. My gun Usain Tanasafa. And I don't know if you bust a gal gun. Alex Phoenix. My gun them name Million Walker. Run from Maxfield straight down a downtown plaza. Kick it like with Gardner Gardner. Tell boy, in a war me no gamble. Gunshot I run you down like Bernica Campbell. Me no tick man, me no lift weights, me no wrestler. Tell a boy that I mean name something. Freestyle.
Like your evil I broke down up my thing. Me no frightened for people. After you no more than me, no more than me. Me no care where you come from, me no party. You no more than me, no more than me. The guys are no.
Second. Guinness. You know what I'm telling you? You know what I'm telling you what me come for you tonight? You know what I'm come for you? Drop me some.
DJ Khaled. All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands up.
Hold on.
Win around there. Oh, win around there. You see how Clash go on? You see? You see how Clash go? It can go either way. But me not say nothing more. Shamil, talk to me.
Boy, look how
Black, we have the answer, we have.
You know
We have.
all my black people and all of my tops, all you little children
Pull
and
up.
those women I love.
Do it. Hold on.
Can't stop. Don't shut.
Watch it make me.
What?
When God's a march out on the back,
Level.
the feel is a
On the pipe on them. Pipe on them. Pipe on them. Pipe on them.
Gaza.
Pipe on them. Some boy them.
Jamaica, them a no gangster, something them a try. Walk on the lanes like a something in a bag.
Turn up.
Wait him up, down a mad name a dry. The eagle a fly and it a pick
Don't
in a
just
eye.
drop it.
The boy come and tell me same tough but
Drop it.
Tell them me bad anyway, but uptown a my own.
What am I do?
Clap eagle a fly down. The devil him a run from pebble in a.
What am I do?
Why bury in a ground? 12 years Spanish town. The head, cap out the lead feet, out the dead. Wall cut off fly through burn. Them can't take me hands, me no shooting.
Them know me a kill and a tell me. Me a kill from century to century. What pit me a go in a the war. Me no be a
What am I
entry.
do?
Steve, sound the war trumpet.
Mr. the crossroad. We are burying them. Bury them.